Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial about the Gmail account. I have seen many users having thousands of unread emails in their Gmail account, so in this tutorial I will show you how to unread all those emails in just one batch. Open the Gmail and type in search bar is unread and press enter. So this action will filter all unread emails in your Gmail account. So you need to press select. This will select unread emails, which is shown in this page only, which is 50 emails. But as you can see in my inbox, there is 459 emails. So to mark all emails, you need to press select all conversations that match this search. Okay, now you need to press 3 button and mark as read. Hit the OK button. Now wait for some seconds for the action to finish. Okay, as you can see, all my unread emails have been read now. So this is a pretty straightforward process. I hope this will be helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. I'm looking forward to catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.